Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video on ENS. All right, wanted to do had to do a quick video on that. It's been super bullish yesterday after the partnership. Apart from that, ENS is also just a great project. All right, because I'm going to start this video off by telling you that I am an investor. Well, not an investor, but I hold ENS, and I have been holding that for basically since the end of November or so. So I did get some nice bullish momentum. I bought right there when it was not doing that much, but still, I mean, ENS has always been a great project. I mean, it's always has been used. They have a huge treasury in assets which they can always deploy, and that's just great to have, just in general. So yeah, the fact that ENS was mentioned by Vitalik and that it got a lot of bullish momentum with the whole Ethereum beta narrative, and that right now they've had a major partnership with GoDaddy, that all helps, all right? So ENS, I would say, right now, at least on the short term, is bullish. Now, if we zoom out, look, right now we're just at a major resistance level. Right here at 21.5, you have the retest of the 382 fib. You have the 0.5 of the move down, so this is a pretty important level to break. But then again, I mean, if you look at ENS right now, and we'll look at some other numbers as well, which will only make you more bullish on ENS, it's looking pretty good. But first of all, I mean, ENS already broke above this level right here at $20. That was also a strong resistance level, as you can see historically. We broke above that once, the 26th of January, but back then it was a breakout, and then immediately another breakout. So basically a fake out, all right? And right now it was just a very strong breakout, and ENS instantly rallied up to the next resistance level. What's the situation for ENS, and what numbers will make you more bullish? Well, I'll tell you, it's this, all right? The open interest right now is pretty ridiculous. Like if you zoom out, the open interest, so the amount in open positions, is basically at the same levels it was at when ENS was at $26 and $25. So that means that volatility is to be expected. All right, we're also getting a ton of liquidations here at this level. So the main question is, I mean, the increased open interest, it's bullish, all right, because that means that there's more momentum to the price. But I do think as well that a lot of people are just longing ENS right here, creating a lot of liquidity to the downside, and that is something you can see right here. I mean, if you look at the last 3 days, there's liquidity to the upside, but there's a lot down here as well, and it's accumulating very quickly. Like basically from where we are right here all the way down to $19, there's a lot of liquidity. So the main question is, and I really mean that, is at this moment, I mean, ENS is very bullish. Like the open interest is still going up. It's very high. A lot of people are opening positions here. They're getting shaken out of positions also a little bit while the open interest is going up. So most likely, I must say, is that we will break out. So that ENS will break out above 21.7. Probably find some resistance at 22.5 and $23. But then take that bullish break retest and rally back up to the previous highs around $25. I have to tell you that that's most likely. Now, is that a trade I would take? No. All right. I think it's too risky in these market circumstances. And then apart from that, and I just wanted to check this out. Moves based on news usually never end that well. And with ENS, you can also see that there's a lot of volume coming from some shady sources. Let's keep it at that. So given that, they will most likely hunt liquidity, all right? And liquidity is accumulating to the downside. So even though I think this is most likely, if you look at the technicals, what I'm afraid of is that ENS will not break above 21.7 and that it will instantly drop down below $20, and then we're back at square one. ENS long term is still super bullish, but I think the chance of this is too high for me, at least in my eyes, too long ENS. But technically, it is still bullish. All right, so please be careful. Trade at your own risk. Don't risk too much. But for now, this is what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.